Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fake skip someone on Omegle. First, you will need to install OBS Studio and download the Omegle loading screen video from YouTube. Once that's done, open OBS Studio and add your webcam to it. Then, add the loading video as a media source and make sure to enable loop and then save your settings. Now, arrange your webcam layer above the loading video. This way, when you are talking to a stranger, you can quickly hide your webcam and make it look like you skipped them. Then show your webcam again to continue the chat. Before starting, make sure to select OBS virtual camera in Uhmegle and click on flip camera. Now you are all set to do fake skip prank. I hope this trick helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.